Hi, good morning. Today I want to make this small tutorial to show you when I share my screen with you. See the two solo ads business I made with two gentlemen in Udimi. And for one gentleman I get about 52 subscribers, and for the other about 72 subscribers. And when I make the list checker in the Udimi tool, all of them are only two emails were rejected. All the other emails are active. And all of them solo ad sellers that I'm choosing have about 40 to 50% of sales reporting in the last month. See, about more than 40% are getting sales with the solo ad. I hope that I get some sales for the affiliation offer that I am sharing with that email list. And in the report of that person, all of the comments are positive comments. And I'm going to make one comment in each solo ad seller. And for the next business, Udimi is going to give me $5 to $7 of discount for share the comment that I'm going to make with that solo ad seller. And when they give me that discount, I'm going to buy more clicks for my solo business in the next few days. And I hope that when you see this video, if you are in the affiliation marketing, you can use Udimi solo ad to get some traffic for your landing page, for your website, for all the offers that you can sell in that platform. There are millions of active sellers and buyers in that platform at this moment. And there are many persons that are reporting that they are getting sales with the solo ad business that they are making with that seller. When you choose the right seller and you can use the active lead, and if the offer that you have is a good offer for the traffic that they have, and you can ask if the people have reporting sell with the different lists that they are selling. On my Udimi account, this is one of the business that I made with that gentleman. It's about the 26th and the 27th of December. This finished the total of click the 28th of December. With that gentleman, let me check the other. See how many? 119 delivered. Finish the 27th of December. And this is the landing page that I use. I sent to that seller. I'm going to show you the XMAIL. This is the autoresponder I am using to show you the statistic. For example, this is one of the landing page that I sent. We want to check inside of the. See, for that landing page, I see total of visitors of 20. From the 26th or the 28th. You can check the technology that they use. See, Chrome, Google Chrome, others, Edge. It's for Windows and others. Here, desktop and mobile. And the location. Ireland, Greece, Philippines, then from Jamaica, I'm going to show you the second landing page that I use. To see the statistic in that. For example, that landing page had a lot of 121 visitors and 44 conversions. But for that offer, that two business that I had made and one Google AdWords campaign that I made and one Bing ads, I was 441 total of visitors and 150 conversion leads. Once this is a second landing page, 68 total visitors, 42 conversion. The technology that they use. .47 Chrome, Safari, others, Firefox, Edge. We have for Windows, Android, Linux, and others. Here, 66 desktops and mobile. And the location. You see US 46, Germany 2, Bulgaria 2, one from Japan, that's it. We want to check the third landing page. Set the same statistic. Here at the set, the third Super AF2, 232 visitors and 62 conversion. Technology. C69 Google Chrome, Safari, others, Firefox, Edge, 47 Android, 29% Windows, others, and Mac. Mobile, desktop, and only 5 on tablet. And the location. $152 US, 9 from Canada. Morocco, Germany, India, Nigeria, Cameroon, Mongolia, Uzbekistan, (11) from Australia, Malaysia, Philippines, New Zealand, and this is the fourth landing page that I used. 121 visitors, 44 total conversions. The technology are similar. Chrome, Safari, Edge, others, Android 45%, 23 Windows, other 22, 18, and 12 from Mac. Desktop 38%, and mobile 61%. And the location: US 90, Canada 3, United Kingdom, Romania, Switzerland, Lithuania, Slovakia, India, South Africa, Indonesia, Australia, Malaysia 7, and that's it. These are my reports for that 2 campaign that I made on Bing Ads, Google AdWords, and one in Udimi solo ads with 2 gentlemen, 2 solo ads that I bought. That's it. Only I would like to tell you that you can use XMAIL for your next business. Udimi, solo ads, Facebook ads, Google AdWords campaign, Bing ads campaign to generate some traffic to your affiliation offers, get some leads and some sales. And here I can make one post talking about the business that I made with that gentleman, the amount of visitors I have received, the active subscribers, if I get some sales, but I had to wait about 10 days until my autoresponder work, send all the email that I had fixed in my autoresponder, because you know that to get some sales, the person has to see about 7 to 10 times the offer that you're selling, sending by the autoresponder. And when I made that post, I get some likes, and Udimi going to give me $5 discount for my next solo business. So I made this comment, I'm going to get $5 and make the second comment, I'm going to get $5 more for my next business. For example, this will cost me about $38, I'm going to discount me $5. I'm going to take in 33 for 100 visitors. That's it. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel to see my next result in the next week. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you. Bye bye.